Welcome back to ClearSpot. Every hour of snow cover on your modules is a lost hour of generation. The question is, do you know when panels will shed naturally and when you need to intervene? That decision sounds simple, but in cold climate operations, it can be the difference between recovering energy on time and leaving revenue buried under snow. Most operators face the same problem every winter. They either assume snow will shed naturally and wait too long, or they activate clearing too early and expose panels to unnecessary mechanical risk. Without a predictive model, both mistakes are inevitable. If you wait, you accept downtime that could have been avoided. If you clear too soon, you may spend labor and risk equipment wear before the site actually needed intervention. The real issue is that snow is not just a weather event. It is an operational decision. That's where ClearSpot agents change the workflow. They combine weather data, historical shedding behavior, tilt angle, and orientation per block to estimate when natural shedding will restore generation. That matters because not every block behaves the same. A flatter row may hold snow longer. An east-facing block may recover differently than a south-facing one, depending on the storm pattern and sun angle. The agent looks at the site the way an operator should, block by block, not as one generic field. Then it goes one step further. It models the financial case for early intervention. Is clearing worth the cost given how much generation you would recover versus waiting? So the decision is not driven by habit. It is driven by expected recovery. Let's make that concrete. Imagine a site gets a heavy snowfall overnight. Block A has a steep tilt and good solar exposure, and the model predicts natural shedding within a few hours. Block B is flatter, colder, and historically holds snow much longer. Without a model, both blocks might get the same response. With ClearSpot, the recommendation is different for each one. That means you don't clear too early where the sun will do the work for you, and you don't wait too long where intervention will recover meaningful generation. The result is a better use of labor, less unnecessary intervention, and faster restoration where it matters most. On a cold climate site, getting the snow shedding call right several times per winter adds up fast. Each avoided mistake protects generation that would otherwise sit idle under snow. Each correct intervention recovers energy that would have been lost, waiting for the weather to cooperate. That is why this matters beyond a single storm. Over a season, those decisions compound into a material number in recovered MWH. And the big advantage of an agent-driven approach is scale. The model can make the calls systematically across the fleet with no marginal labor cost per event. That's powerful because winter doesn't just create one decision. It creates repeated decisions. ClearSpot helps make all of them consistently, quickly, and with the same logic every time. Manual snow judgment tends to break down for a few reasons. First, snow behavior changes with geometry, not just temperature. Two blocks on the same site can recover at different speeds. Second, the financial value of clearing changes hour by hour. In some cases, the cost of clearing outweighs the recovered revenue, and in others, waiting loses too much generation. Third, human judgment is inconsistent under pressure. When weather is moving fast, people rely on experience and rough estimates. ClearSpot replaces that uncertainty with a repeatable forecast. It uses the same logic every time, so the decision is easier to defend and easier to act on. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.